Hey there, this is going to be a quick update. As you recall, a couple of weeks ago, I took my car into the dealer to take care of some suspension clunking. The horn wasn't working, the software needed to be updated, and the seat emblems cracked. So I had them replaced with the silver ones. Guess what? The silver ones cracked again, only after 2 weeks of use. So this time, I asked the dealer to order me the 2018 emblems. And here they are. I'm going to give you a close-up in a little bit. We're actually going to do a reveal by removing the protective foil. I know you like that. But just real quick, it doesn't tell me how much they cost without warranty. They were covered by warranty, obviously. But check this out. To remove them, you have to remove the seats. The seat backs need to come out, and that's how you get them replaced. So if yours are cracked and you are still on the warranty, talk to the dealer and upgrade to these 2018 ones. They're black, but they light up in a brighter way at night, so that I actually like them a lot better. My only concern was that the black would blend in too much with black leather. I don't think that's an issue because they look very, very pretty. So this was a quick one today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy this reveal slow-mo video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.